आज ही डाउटनेट ऐप डाउनलोड करें। डाउटनेट पर होगा अब आपके सभी मैथ्स, केमिस्ट्री, फिजिक्स और बायोलॉजी डाउट्स का सफाया। बस अपने क्वेश्चन की फोटो खींचो, उसे क्रॉप करो और तुरंत वीडियो सॉल्यूशन पाओ। डाउनलोड नाउ।
Here the question is evaluate limit n tends to infinity minus 1 to the power n minus 1 sin pi under root n square plus 0.5n plus 1 where n belongs to capital N natural numbers. So here we have limit n tends to infinity minus 1 to the power n minus 1 sin pi under root n square plus n by 2 plus 1 or we can also written it as limit n tends to infinity. This can be come inside, so we can written it as sin n pi minus pi under root n square plus n by 2 plus 1. On solving this, we will have n tends to infinity sin we can take pi common, so we have sin pi. It will come n minus under root n square plus n by 2 plus 1, and we can into this n plus under root n square plus n by 2 plus 1, and we can also divide by this, so there will be no effect on the question. So on solving this, written it as n square plus n by 2 plus 1, so there will be no change in the original question. So we can solve it further. We have limit n tends to infinity sin pi. It can be a plus b into a minus b whole square. So we have n square minus n by 2 minus 1 upon n plus under root n square plus n by 2 plus 1. Further, on solving this, we will get n tends to infinity sin pi. N square will be cancelled out, minus n by 2 minus 1 upon we can take common n from this, so we will get 1 plus under root 1 plus n by 2 plus 1 by n square. So on solving this, we will get limits n tends to infinity. We can cancel this, and so we will have sin pi. We will have, it will become n by 2, it will become minus 1 by 2 minus, it will become 1 by 2 and minus 1 by 2 minus 1 by n upon 1 plus under root 1 plus 1 by 2n plus 1 by n square. So on solving this, we can put the n which tends to infinity. This will become 0. It will also 0. It will 0. So we have limit n tends to infinity, at limit will be cancelled out, so we have sin pi 1 minus 1 by 2 upon 1 plus 1 2, or we can say sin pi minus 1 by 4, which can be written as sin minus pi by 4. As we know, sin minus pi by 4 is minus sin pi by 4, which is equal to minus 1 upon root 2.
क्लास 6 से 12 से लेके नीट, IIT JEE मेंस और एडवांस के लेवल तक 10 मिलियन से ज्यादा स्टूडेंट्स का भरोसा। आज ही डाउनलोड करें डाउटनेट ऐप या व्हाट्सएप कीजिए अपने डाउट्स 8400 400 400 पर।